Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So, in this video we'll be comparing Philo with YouTube TV. So as Philo is not currently available in my region, but still I'll be discussing on it just by showing the website. And so starting with Philo. So it is a super clean and easy to navigate site with no fluff, just live TV and on-demand shows. It gives you 70 plus channels, mostly entertainment like TLC, MTV and AMC. Just for $22 per $25 per month. So it offers unlimited cloud DVR and everything, and the DVR is solid, but there is no 4K and less control over fast forwarding in some shows. If we talk about pricing, as I've already said, it costs around $25 per month. There is no sports, no local channels, but amazing value for casual TV lovers. If we compare it with YouTube TV, so YouTube TV is more like the thing which we normally use in our daily life, as it is mostly popular known to many people. It feels like an upgraded cable box, which is a smooth UI, voice search, and integrated with Google account. So if we talk about the pricing, YouTube TV basically cost around $72.99 per month, which is expensive, but it's a true cable replacement with the local channels and major networks. As you can see over here, it has more than 100 plus channels. So if you sign up now, you can save up to $46 per month for over 2 months, and it is now available at around $82.99 per month. So if you click on that, we can just sign here and get into it easily. So this was a video in comparison to Philo with YouTube TV. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.